The Belkin Difference. Pioneer in innovation and technology for over 35 years. Charges QuickCharge 4 Plus enabled devices from 0 to 50% in 15 minutes. 27W USB-C port provides fast charging speeds to QuickCharge and USB PD enabled smartphones. Backwards compatible with QuickCharge 2. 0, 3, 0 and 4. 0 to fast charge older devices. 4 feet, 1. 2 meters length USB-C to USB-C cable included. Included components: Boost, Charge USB-C home charger plus cable with QuickCharge 4 Plus, 4FT USB-C to USB-C cable. Top reviews from the United States. It is Qualcomm certified for QC4 Plus. Most other advertised chargers are not. If you have a Qualcomm QuickCharge 4 or 4 Plus device, this is one of the few chargers sold in the US that are fully compatible with it if you want to take maximum advantage of its charging capabilities. This charger is blazing fast for my LG V60 while also managing heat. Warehouse deals. I've gotten 3 on warehouse deals so far. My guess is people take the whole 50% in 15 minutes thing as gospel, without realizing that Qualcomm based that on a 2700 mAh battery. Keep being not smart so I can get good cheap chargers.